Look at this wiring, it's completely shot.
The whole frame is rusted through. This is gonna take months.
It's a project, but it has potential.
Here's the full amount right here. Pleasure doing business with you.
That should hold her. Give it one more crank. Solid. Ready when you are.
Watch the frame right there. That rust is deep. Ease it down slowly.
Got it, slowing it down now.
Clear on this side. The engine bay is rough, but the body is the real challenge.
Look at this quarter panel, it's completely rotted through.
The floor pans aren't.
Note the severe corrosion on the rocker panels and the extensive rust perforation here by the wheel well. The structural integrity is compromised.
Look at this manifold. It's completely shot. I've never seen one this bad.
So we're looking at a full rebuild then.
As you can see, the engine is in extremely corrupt condition. The corrosion here is severe.
Yes,
So-
I see what you mean. This is going to take a lot of work.
Mira esto, ¿puedes creerlo?
Dios mío, parece alquitrán. Está fatal.
Sí, este motor está en muy mal estado.
The rust here at the rear is perforated completely through the metal. I'm zooming in now so you can see the detail near the taillight housing.
Okay, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Got it. This thing weighs a ton.
Okay, I got it loose.
Careful, it's heavier than it looks.
All right, I've got it. Thanks.
All right, lift on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Got it. Watch the back. Keep moving. Look at the reflection on the door. Absolutely perfect.
It's flawless. Truly museum quality work.
Okay, I'm starting the impact wrench now.
Hold on, make sure that bushing is aligned.
There, got it.
idnegallak udah cuma gitu dia sudah cepat mau trying serim dan ingin mana.
Easy now. Watch the clearance on the passenger side.
Got it. Keep coming down slowly. Careful, it's heavy. I got it. Okay, push that corner down right there. Looks good now. Yeah, perfect fit.
A little more towards the center. Easy now. How's that look? Perfect. Get the bolt started.
Okay, easy now. Watch the wires.
Got it. Need the long screwdriver?
Yeah, hand it here. It's almost seated.